I got Section 8 inspection in about 15 minutes. So I need to come here and see what needs to be done. Oh my God, he did not put that ceiling fan up. The guy's back there. Okay. He gonna have to put that light. I got my Section 8 inspection in 15 minutes. Yo, you gotta put that up, bro. Come on, man. Oh my God. I'm not ready. This not even hooked up yet. That's not even hooked up yet. Yeah, that's not gonna pass. Ceiling fan is up. Where's the other piece? Okay, guys. The Section 8 lady is here. So now I'm gonna go and let her in. See what she says. 3 bed, 2 bath? Mm-hmm.
And this your truck and stuff in the driveway?
Yes.
What about that trailer?
Yes, that's fine. I just, once I get everything out, then I move it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not staying.
What are you putting right here in the middle?
A ceiling fan.
Okay.
That right here broke, so I'm finna go to Home Depot and get one of these and put the ceiling fan back up.
You got your gas and your water?
Yeah.
I'm really supposed to reschedule you.
You see I did what?
Make sure you put your switch plates on your
Okay, yeah, I got it. He shouldn't have just...
I said, you know I'm really supposed to reschedule you, right? Because it's not ready.
That's gonna be done today, I promise you. That's one plate.
It's simple stuff, but
Yeah.
I always, when I come in, it's supposed to be like an empty house ready. Just,
Okay.
Everything's supposed to be done before I get in.
Yeah, that right there. We working on.
I'm supposed to check this water and make sure you don't got no leaks. You know.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. Let's see. Hey Pablo, did you see when that ceiling fan, the light come on?
Oh, no, this is not yet. I will check it out today.
Okay.
Actually, all her plugs are GFI.
Okay.
The ones by every sink.
Is that one?
No.
Okay, I'll change.
Sometimes they wired. Do you
Yeah.
know if the plugs are GFI?
The bathroom, the GFI plug.
Oh, yeah, okay.
We'll change them out.
Yeah, every sink has to have GFI. One in here,
Okay, so
one in here,
okay.
and 2 in the kitchen. I can see that. Probably one hour in the kitchen. Sometimes they be wired together, but I don't even have my GFI tester anymore.
Okay.
This your first house? So you know the rules.
Listen, I was.
You know.
My daughter played volleyball, and I was gone all weekend, the tournaments. And,
You know the rules. See, girl, you know your pass.
okay,
I feel like you're gonna do it, though.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like.
You see I'm working.
I feel like you're gonna do it. I feel like I'm gonna come and
You see I'm working.
all right, have a good day.
Okay, thank you so much. I got my pass. I got my pass. Yeah, doing my happy dance. I passed, guys. Whew. Whew. So here's the things I need to do. First of all, this ceiling fan here. This thing here is broken, right? As you can see, the GFI by the water, 2 of those. Clean it, gotta clean the house. What else? Let's go. Let's do a real quick rundown of what we got going on right now. Here, she said she should reschedule me because this here was not whatever. But we've been doing them. We've been running around putting those covers on. Definitely, this was a big no-no. She said the sink, the tub here, like the little black stuff around, make sure all that is clean, no mold around there. Here, the light wasn't even working, which that was embarrassing. The bathroom, I don't know what's up with these switches here, but this one here, GFI, clean. All this got to be clean. I'm gonna change out all that stuff. So, yeah, man. She didn't even, she didn't even come out back. She didn't even come out back because I don't know if you guys remember, I had the big hole right here, right? So with the squirrel, I still got a little small hole up here. So I had all this here replaced. I'm getting this right here replaced as well, the squirrel damage. And over here, I'm getting this over here replaced. Any rot around the doors, like here, I got replaced, here, replaced. This one right here, we still working on it. I thought she was gonna check that, but she didn't. Here, you can see here, we started with the bundle, fixing those little things. My biggest thing, she did not check. She did not check this window for cracks, right? She didn't check that window. It got a big crack right now. I don't know if you can see it or not. This window don't have screens in it. These two right here don't have screens in it. She did not check the outlets, right? So that was a plus for me. Not the outlets should be good, but she didn't check this crack in the screen. She didn't check to see if the window was lit up and down. She saw this, she didn't say nothing, but I'm putting a new one in here anyway. What else she didn't check? I mean, she felt like, not saying that she just didn't check it, right? She saw the condition of the house. That's the thing, guys. If they come in here and they see that the house is clean, they feel like everything is working. So, not that she's not doing her job, it's just that once it's clean, they're not gonna do as much. They're not gonna go through and do all the little stuff that they're supposed to do. All right? All right, so another thing in here before I end, all of this stuff in the garage. Leave that light plate cover, right? All this stuff got to be cleaned out, which it will be. I'm gonna clean all this stuff out. So I'm gonna throw most of it on the trailer. So yeah, we're finna get it. Let's get it.